Today, on request of students, I will discuss about Newton's law of gravitation. We know that in universe, every body attracts to each other, and that attractive force depends upon the mass of the bodies and separation between the two bodies. Suppose there are two bodies, mass of these bodies are m1 m2 and they are separated by a distance r. Then attractive force between these two bodies is directly proportional to the product of mass of both bodies and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. And we can write it mathematically. F is directly proportional to m1 m2 and inversely proportional to square of distance, and F proportional to m1 m2 upon r square, and we can also use a proportionality constant capital G m1 m2 upon r square, where G is known as universal gravitational constant, and value of G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, and unit becomes Newton meter square upon kilogram square. And we can also represent it by dimension. Newton means m l t minus 2, meter square means l square upon kilogram square means m square, and dimensional formula becomes m to the power minus 1 l into l square l cube and t minus 2. This is dimensional formula of gravitational constant. Here in right side, mass and distance are scalar quantities. G is also scalar quantity, but left side force is a vector quantity. It means we have to convert this right side into vector form, and we can convert it F equal to G m1 m2 upon r square if we multiply it by a unit vector. If we multiply this scalar quantity by a unit vector, then this quantity becomes vector and both sides becomes vector. And we can write r unit vector as r vector upon magnitude of r, and that force becomes G m1 m2 upon r square. R unit vector is replaced by r vector upon r, or we can write F G m1 m2 r vector upon r square into r cube. This is vector form of force which act between these two bodies, and this is scalar form, and it means magnitude of force acts between these two bodies. Thank you.